How do you grow your Etsy sales with Pinterest? You've started your Etsy shop, gotten a few sales, but now you want to get it to the next level with Pinterest marketing? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Leah, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make more money online and how to grow your online business with social media. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So how do you grow your Etsy sales using Pinterest without ads, organically? The first thing you'll need to do is to create pins of your products. This will be your Pinterest content. So you'll need to think of your audience and what they would want to see of your products, whether they are digital or physical products. So you'll need to think of what will get their attention if they see your pins in the home feed, in the search, or even on your profile. This way they will actually click on them and go to your products and check out your products. So you don't have to take this lightly. Spend time creating branded pin graphics for your Etsy products. For high quality pins, I suggest over 1000 pixels. Use different types of pin designs that will showcase your product's features. Add your brand colors, brand fonts, and your website link, your Etsy shop link. I suggest adding your Etsy shop link in the form of your shopname.etsy.com, as it is easier to remember and to type and search to find your shop. Create multiple pins per single product for you to have multiple leads that lead to one single product, so more pins per product. After creating your content, it is time to create your business account. Yes, you do need a Pinterest business account for your Etsy shop because that will let you claim your Etsy shop, use features like idea pins, and more. The next thing you'll need to do is to optimize your profile. You need to add a clear profile image, a video Pinterest cover or a photo cover depending on your brand, a searchable name, and a unique description in which you tell people what your products are and who they're for. Also, in the description, I suggest adding a call to action, such as check out our Etsy products, or use this special code to get a special offer on our Etsy shop, or something that will get them to click on your Etsy shop and check out your products. Next, you'll need to create your Pinterest boards. This will have to be related to your products and your business's niche. So create your boards in similar categories to the categories that you have maybe in your shop sections on Etsy and that your audience would be interested in. If you don't know how many boards to create and which kinds, I created this in-depth tutorial about how to create boards on Pinterest that also apply to Etsy shops. So make sure to check that out after this video. After you've created your boards and optimized them for SEO, it is time to start adding your pins and being active on Pinterest. So you'll need to pin from the home feed, add pins to your boards, follow people in your niche, post one or more unique pins per day that you've created and optimize those for SEO as well. You can also pin idea pins daily or weekly. And if you want to learn more about how to post a pin correctly on Pinterest, how many people you need to follow, how to find group boards, and all those things about Pinterest marketing for beginners, I have a video series down below in the description. It is a playlist that includes all that information. So if you want to check that out, the link is down below. So there you go. This is how you use Pinterest to promote your Etsy shop and your Etsy products in order to get more sales and traffic to your shop. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. And if you have any questions or want more content on growing online with social media, you can follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.